नमस्कार। जय श्री कृष्णा। मैं सोचता हूँ कौन है ये लोग, कहाँ से आते हैं, इनकी ये सोच कैसे डेवलप होती है, ये क्या चाहते हैं। मैं बात कर रहा हूँ उन हिंदुस्तानियों की जो सनातन को कंप्लीटली ख़त्म करने में लगे हुए हैं। मैं आपको कुछ किस्से बताता हूँ। आई वॉज लुकिंग फॉर a मैच फॉर माई डॉटर. We got her connected with a boy, an IIT graduate. During the discussion, he tells my daughter, I hate Hinduism. He was a Baniya from Rajasthan. Similarly, I have a very close friend, a very dear friend of mine. I used to share my videos with him. One fine day, he writes to me on my video, please don't share these videos with me. I don't like this. It may affect our relationship. I have a very dear, my college friend, Brahmin by birth, brought up in Delhi, studied in a very premier institute, worked globally. One fine day I find that he has converted to Christianity. And after conversion, during my college time and otherwise, I never seen him as a hardcore Hindutvavadi or following Hindu rituals, keeping fast, this, that, not eating non-veg during Sawan, or anything like that. But from the day he converted to Christianity, I've seen him following the Christian rituals very, very religiously. And not only that, every now and then, somehow he has got an allergy, anything to do with nationalism, anything to do with Sanatan. If by mistake you post anything to do with Sanatan or atrocities on Hindus anywhere like Bangladesh, Kashmir or anything like that, he immediately retaliates. Now he keeps giving us lecture on love, peace, brotherhood, tolerance. He always makes us feel that we are some kind of a terrorist. हम लोग हिंदू उग्रवादी हैं. He always tries to create that impression. हम दूसरों को डेमोनाइज कर रहे हैं unnecessarily. If you talk about Islamic terrorism or anything to do like that, he writes, you have no right to talk about the quality of a highway on which you don't ride. Who will tell him? It is not we, it is others who are trying to derail us. It is not we, it is others who are digging our highways. It is not we, it is others who are pursuing by sword or by any other means for us, for our people to divert and take their highways. And when we resist, this is what we are told. समझ में नहीं आता कौन है ये लोग. Their heart cries for Hamas. They talk about all eyes on Gaza. They never talk about atrocities on Hindus in Bangladesh. And if you talk about it, they will retaliate. God knows where they come from. If Altaf is lynched, it becomes a global news. These people, they cry, hue and cry, they create hue and cry. But they are totally blind to a Hindu girl every alternate month. There have been 10 killings of Hindu girls or their brothers who had been trying to safeguard their sisters from the love jihad. 10 deaths in 1 year in Delhi alone. But doesn't make any difference to them. कौन है ये लोग, क्या चाहते हैं ये? There were 28 cultures across the world. 27 have vanished. Sindhu Ghati Sabhyata, or what we call it Sanatan, is the last surviving culture in a small part of India. And that too it is eaten from both ends. They are Christian missionaries जो एक घुन की तरह हमारे समाज में लगे हुए हैं. Day in, day out, in the name of seva, in the name of service, they are busy converting the people. ये घुन लगी हुई है. And on the other hand, we have Islamists, we have jihadis who are busy population jihad, love jihad, sar tan se juda, everything. And when we are trying for our survival, for the existence of the last surviving culture in this world, these people are against us. They think they are the most intelligent people. All the wisdom lies on that. They are talking to us. They are telling us, don't talk about their highways. Boss, what do you know about our highway? Sanatan is the only religion which talks, which tells, which considers the whole world as one family. We talk about global brotherhood. We are the only people who are so grateful, and we pray and we worship everything which is vital for the life on this earth. We worship sea, we worship rivers, we worship earth, we worship sun, we worship jungles, trees, everything. अरे गाय जो हमको दूध पिलाती है, हमारे बच्चों को बड़ा करती है, उसको भी हम माता बोलते हैं. This is the greatness of Sanatan. And you come and give us a lecture? How dare you? Are such a tolerant people we are. Every day, 5 times in a day, we are told there is only one God, there is no other God, there is no other way. You guys follow the Abrahamic religion, which has only single truth, which has no tolerance for any other beliefs. We are the only people. You believe in God, you are a Sanatani. You don't believe in God, still you are a Sanatani. You follow a ritual, you follow a particular process of praying a God, you are a Sanatani. You do worship a statue, Murti Puja karte ho, you are Sanatani. You Havan karte ho, you don't believe in worshipping a statue, still you are a Sanatani. You are an atheist, still you are a Sanatani. And you come and give us a preachers, you give us the lessons. You have no right to talk about it. Arey, we are the only people, after praying the God, we say, धर्म की जय हो, अधर्म का नाश हो, प्राणियों में सद्भाव हो. We are the only people. We don't talk about kafirs and unbelievers, non-believers and things like that. So please don't preach us. You call us Andhbhakt. You are the most blind people I have ever seen. You have no tolerance for any other belief. तुम्हारी आत्मा मर चुकी है, तुम्हारा ईमान मर चुका है, तुम्हारा दोहरा मापदंड है. You are the most hypocrite people I have ever come across in my lifetime. दोहरा चरित्र है तुम्हारा. Your heart cries only for the jihadis. Tell me a single Sanatani or Hindu organization which picks up the weapons for non-believers. We never attacked anyone. We have never killed anyone in the name of religion. अरे धर्म को तुम क्या जानो? You are a cult organization. Single belief, single book. And you preach us? Shame on you. And let me tell you one more thing, boss. Don't preach us about this. We have been very patient. We are very tolerant. We are tolerant about every belief and everything. But don't ever try to take advantage of that. Tolerance की भी एक लिमिट होती है. If we have survived for thousands of years, we know how to fight back. All our gods, they have a weapon in their hand or some instrument. So we believe in Gita. We believe in what Lord Krishna has said. अधर्म का नाश करने के लिए सामने यदि दोस्त भी हो, यदि वो अधर्मियों के साथ है, आपका कोई रिलेटिव हो, भीष्म पितामह थे, द्रोणाचार्य थे, यू डोंट हैव टू बो डाउन। जो भी अधर्म के साथ है उसका नाश होना सुनिश्चित है। पता नहीं कहां से आते हैं, फ्रॉम वेयर दीज पीपल डेवलप दिस थॉट प्रोसेस। गॉड ब्लेस देम, गॉड गिव देम सम विजडम। जय हिंद, जय भारत।